Hello, I am Maria Morales, a student in the Digital Content Integration Training Program. I am going to present a video of the city where I live. Let's go together. Cúcuta, now as the pair of the North and founded in 1753. Juana Rangel de Cuéllar is the capital of the Norte de Santander and a key border trading hub between Colombia and Venezuela, with an average temperature 28 degrees Celsius. It is known for its economy based on commerce, the clean industry, and footwear manufacturing. Cúcuta is a city with lots of greenery, but it's a bit hot, like Sesquilé, where I lived before, which has a much colder climate. Sesquilé is an hour from Bogotá. It's a beautiful little town. In this lovely city, I visit rivers, shopping malls that I visit often, and lots of buildings under construction. Where I live, there are many places where people work, roam, and play different sports. These places are very popular. In the Jardín Plaza shopping mall, there a gym where you can feel a sense of strength and discipline. There I feel like I connect with myself. The most well ways give the feeling of being in a garden is beautiful and has many stores with well-known brands. It's ideal for shopping. I chose the Garden Place shopping mall because it's one of the places I frequent most. It's very close to my house, and I want to continue exploring this beautiful city.